County in northeastern Illinois, western Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:45 a.m. At 11:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from Big Rock to Elwood, and were moving southeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Romeoville, Plainfield, Oswego, Lockport, New Lenox, Mokina, Frankfort, Yorkville, Channahon, Minooka, Plano, Sandwich, Braidwood, Wilmington, Coal City, Crest Hill, Montgomery, Shorewood, Sugar Grove, Boulder Hill, and Manhattan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ.